Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anji Premchandani from Bash 2019, and in this video I'll be telling you about how to ace your NEET PG 2026 with my strategies and with what I did for this rank. So basically let's get into this video. First, I'll tell you to make a PYT copy. Basically, everybody says that you have to do RR or you can do BTR. But personally, I didn't use BTR, so I cannot say much about that. But what I can tell you is like what I did for this rank. So basically, I made my own PYT copy. Now I'll tell you stepwise in how you can make it to. So these are the steps. Like first you have to select a subject. Like for example, we are saying anatomy. So we have selected a subject anatomy. Then we have to select a topic. Like for example, embryology. Okay. Once we have selected the topic embryology, now we're gonna select a tag, NEET or AIM separately. Okay. For example, I am doing anatomy, embryology topic, and I want to do NEET MCQs. So I'll make a custom module according to that, and then I start solving MCQ. But since you are starting right now and you might not have enough knowledge about topic that you are reading, so you start writing it in your PYT copy, saying because it's a previous year topic, it's a previous year question, I need to get this thing into my head, so I'm writing it down in my copy. So that's what I'm telling you, to make a copy, and this is how you can make it. Like for NEET, and same you can do for AIMS also. Okay, separately I'm saying, so that you can have a bulk of MCQs, I mean bulk of previous year topics by the end of the PYT copy. So I made PYT copy for all of the subjects, and you have to make PYT copy topic wise. Then you have to select a tag, and this is how you can reach to all the topics of each subject. Like I did exactly the same that I told you. So you have to do the same. If you don't want to do it, and if you feel like it's very tedious job to write the stuff and it's very difficult, first of all, you have got 6 months in your hand, and you can finish all the PYTs in 3 months. Okay, why I want you to do that? Because while you are doing MCQs, you are writing it, you are double forcing yourself, you are remembering the MCQs 2 times. That's why I did it, and that's why I'm urging you to do the same. But still, if you want, I don't want to do it, it's fine. You can still do the RR of whatever platform you were using before. Just you have to maintain the source what you were using, and if you are not using anything, select a source, RR or BTR, just start doing it, because I want your source to be so the same from the very beginning. Like you're starting right now, make the source same. If you start 2 months back, 3 months back, make sure the source that you're using right now is the same. So basically, I made PYT copy for myself, and it literally helped me a lot in getting this rank. So if you want to make it and start making it right now. It's more than doable. You have got 3 months, and in 3 months you can make this copy. If you're starting right now, like from Jan itself, from the 1st Jan, so from 1st Jan to 31st March, you should be done with your all the RRs, all the PYT copy, if like I told you how to make it. Okay, so in 3 months you will be done with everything, I'm assuring you, and you have to do it. Okay, after you're done with your RR, then let's divide the revision phases. Basically from 1st April to 15th May, like 45 days. So basically first 45 days after you have done 3 months of RR or PYT copy, you'll start making your first revision, and that will be of 45 days. Then second revision of 30 days, and then we have got third revision of 25 days. And this is basically, you have to divide it. Every revision you make, you're concising your notes. Let me tell you how. Every revision you make, when you're reading the stuff, now you realize ki, okay, I've read this line multiple times and I don't want to read it in my second read, just cut that line. And every time you're revising, you're cutting that line, making your notes conciser. Okay, and this is how you can do it. And by the time, like 10 days before your NEET PG, you will be having your concise notes in your hands, because you have made enough revisions, and you're like, okay, now I just have to read this. And for that reason, I made my PYT copy, because last 10 days before my exam, I was just reading my previous year topic. I think that's the best thing. Okay, now we have to include GTs also. Like only 6 months are left, and I think you better start giving GTs. Like I myself gave 59 GTs, including 3 DAMS GTs. So I highly urge you to do first recall GT. While you're giving that recall GT, you realize that so many previous year topics that have been asked and you're not even aware of. So directly in a one go, you can get all the previous year topics. So that's why I'm urging you to do first recall GT. And now people will ask how we can assess, because it's all about previous and not normal. So after you're done with the recall GT, in 7 days again you give a normal GT, just to assess if you are doing it correctly. Because normal GT of Maro or any platform, they just want you to see, they just want to see if you are prepared enough apart from previous year questions. Because previous year questions, so it's fine, okay, but previous year topics, they just want to make sure ki, okay, your clinicals are getting strong. First you give a recall GT, a normal GT, and then you give a recall GT. Okay, this is how you can make sure you're assessing, and then you're doing recall, so that you are getting all the PYTs in a single go. And then you can write it down, your previous year topics or previous year questions. And if you don't want to write it down, just make sure you are doing RR, and then you write it down in that RR itself, because it has been asked but it might not be there in the RR, so just add it down. Just annotate your RR with the previous year questions that you've been doing. So basically, I think this is the best strategy, doing the RR plus recall GTs plus custom modules. And after you're done with 3 months of RR, and in between you're adding your GTs, you have to make revisions. And in the revision phases also, you have to include your GTs, either recall GTs or your normal GTs. Why I'm emphasizing recall GTs? Because you will get all the previous year topics. Please do it. Recall GTs are very much important. So let me conclude a strategy for you guys. We have to do rapid revisions or make PYT coffee. That was my personal favorite. And then we have to make revisions in 3 timelines: 45 days, 30 days, and 25 days. And then we have to give GTs for first 3 months every 10 days. For later, once you are done with your 3 months, then you have to give GTs every week. Try to finish recall GTs first, because it has got all the previous year questions in it and all the previous year topic. It's the best way to go in the beginning. And please start with a positive mindset. It's very important that you have to be positive throughout your journey. You can do it. Only you can do it. Okay, from now on, start doing this 6 to 8 hours daily from now on, using my method of stopwatch and timer rule. It's the best technique. Start doing it and you'll become consistent, I'm assuring you this. I hope you get my strategy. So if you still have any queries about anything, so you can ask me in the comments, and I'll be making more videos regarding your queries. So till then, take care and happy studying.